P0309 doesn't always mean an expensive repair. First, try these two proven methods. Method A, spark plug. Method B, ignition coil. Watch until the end to find out which one fixes your engine. If your vehicle is throwing a P0309 code or experiencing a misfire, this video will walk you through two practical, do-it-yourself methods to resolve it. First, use the Zeus app to scan your car and confirm the issue. Specifically, this means cylinder number 9 is currently misfiring. To address this issue, you can try two straightforward do-it-yourself methods. Method A, the spark plug. The spark plugs are located at the engine end of the wires under their protective plug covers. First, carefully remove the spark plug from its housing. Grab your spark plug gapper to check the gap spacing. Typically, the proper measurement should fall between 0.024 and 0.071 inches. As you can see, the gap on this plug is a bit too narrow, so use the gapper tool to carefully widen it back into the normal range. However, if you spot any obvious physical damage, cracks, or heavy wear on the spark plug, skip the adjustment and simply replace it with a brand new one. Method B, the ignition coil. Ignition coils are typically mounted directly on the cylinder head, right above each spark plug. First, carefully remove the ignition coil from the engine, then check it closely to see if it is stained or damaged. If the ignition coil is simply covered in engine oil or grime, you can easily clean it up using a cleaner like WD-40. However, if the coil is physically damaged, go ahead and replace it with a brand new one. To wrap things up, here are two effective ways to handle the P0309 error code post-repair. Simply open the Zeus app to clear the fault, then run a fresh scan to ensure your vehicle is completely in the clear. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more DIY repair videos. Up next is the P0309 Engine Code, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching Engine Clinic.